Welcome to TechLeopard channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to unprotect or delete password on Microsoft Excel file. So at first open up your Microsoft Excel and then open your specific file. You can see in this document or file there are a password. So at first just type your password and then click on OK. You can see it's unlocked successfully. Now if you want to remove the password from this file, just click on file option and then click on info. Now here under the protect workbook option you can find unprotect option. Just click here and then close Excel, then click on save, then open up your Excel again and then open the file, and you can see it's not working. If it's still not working, that means you have to delete your file. So just type your password, then copy your all the data and then open a new document and paste your data here, and it's done. Now you have to delete your previous file and then click on delete file, then click on delete again, and you can see it's deleted successfully. And that is how you can unprotect or delete password from Microsoft Excel file. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.